We currently have around about 1,300 gas lamps that British Gas look after. The majority of our gas lamps are here in Westminster. The team that look after it have got 4 lamp attendants. The 4 lamp attendants go round the 1,300 lamps, so they've roughly got 400 each that they look after. A third of them, 400 of the lamps, will have windy clocks on them.
So we've got our main clock here, which is guys come round, they wind. They have to come round every 14 days to get back to this one to rewind it. You've got the pilot light that's lit all the time. When the clock mechanism comes round, turns the main gas valve on, gas goes up, over the top, through the mantles, and the pilot then ignites the mantles.
So the 4 lamp attendants, unique for British Gas, they ride around in Honda 125 scooters. So they'll ride up to where their ladders are. Now, if you're observant, you might see some ladders chained to lamp posts around London. They're not there by accident, they're property of British Gas and the lamp attendant team. So they'll ride their scooter to the ladders, unchain them, go round and round, chain them back up, jump in the scooter and move off to their next site. What we have to remember is these lamps were put in starting in 1813. So some of them are up to 200 years old. Those lamps were, when they were put in, horse and carts were on the street, not the articulated lorries, bin lorries, coaches that we've seen now in the streets of Westminster. So we get a lot of damage. They can get broken, the lamps can get broken, the glass can get smashed. So we've got Gary, Gary will have to cut the glass, reshape the glass, mould the copper, basically a jack of all trades to get these lamps back to what they're looking like. And again, when you go round the streets and you're looking at these lamp columns, at the time we put in the reigning monarch. So we've got some gas lamps. Birdcage Walk is our oldest stretch of them, where we've got the monarch's title of George IV on there. The lamps around here in Westminster, you'll see George V on the bottom of them. So again, if they happen to get damaged, even that plaque has to go back on there. Everything's exact same. So the columns have all got their own names, and the heads have all got their own names. 3 main ones you'll get are Rochesters, Grosvenors and Windsors. And one of the things we do, and we're quite passionate about doing internally, is spreading the word of British Gas, because we're the only public lighting division for British Gas here. You know, we see it as part of our job to educate them, and we take them out on tours on a night, a bit like we're doing here this evening. And you know, hopefully by the end of it all, people go away, they know a bit about the gas lamps, they certainly know a bit about the history. And the most important thing is, Gary and the team always say, when you're in London, always look up, because one, you'll see a gas lamp, but you never know what's going on above you.